He scored it down here, the 4-point free game. Got his deuces. Got his other deuces. Come on, bro, back.
Oh, he's killing him.
I'm gonna check these people out now.
Praise God. Looking good there, little man. Take your time. Underhand.
Yes, sir. We got a pick over here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You missed the free piece. He's going to four.
Good shot. Layup. Praise God.
Okay, we go for 5 nuggets.
Come on, man.
Missed
Let's
it.
get rid of the
Women got 5 nuggets. We go 5 more nuggets. 99 cents. Yes, sir. 91. There you go.
9, 8,
All right, now we're going to free piece.
4, 3, 2, 1.
5 piece.
One more shot.
No time. Let's give him a round of applause.
Give a round of applause.
All right, Dad, here we go. You want a better ball, Dad? Dad said he's fine. No, you got to shoot with a man, bro. You can't shoot. That's a kid. When you shoot early, come on, you got to shoot good stuff, man. All right, here we go. 5, 4, you rebound, you Dad, 3, 2, 1, here we go. Score, we keeping that score? You got that score? We got that score? Let's go. All right. He's a little off over here, 45 seconds. He got his layup set. Here we go, baby. Let's see what we got. Okay, that's 3.
Basket.
Oh, here we go. 5 piece.
Basket.
You got it. Yes, sir. You like it. You like it. Here we go.
Basket.
4 for Mark. Okay. I like it. Okay.
Good shot.
Now you want to fifth street. Yes, sir. 12 seconds. 10, 9,
8,
8,
7,
7,
6,
6,
5,
5,